What's good, my people? Welcome back to Lion Mac TV. Mac here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video. So this one is about levels. Like, this one is real hot and vibes level. Ijele is back. Flavour is back from not just the US store, but he's back and is ready to take over the December. You remember in a few videos ago I talked about him planning very high on this December, and yeah, he's not delivering. Imagine carrying Prince, Kanayo, Jerry, Amilo, name them, like Yul Edochie, Cubana Chief Priest, on a single song. Anyway, I'll be doing the making of the song here, behind the scene of the song, we set to be dropping any moment soon. If you ever listen to Doings and you know what happened inside Doings, be ready to have ×5 of that. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. Ibu Amaka, our brothers, are making us proud, and we are happy they are coming together. Enjoy it, guys.
Nice Ogene. It's a more. Yes,
What you just saw was just a behind the scene of what you're about to expect, and you know it's going to be lit. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. This one is about Ned Okonkwo, the CEO of Victoria Crest Estate, and also one of the biggest business house owners in Lagos. Like, it's one of the biggest real estate investors in Lagos, Nigeria. And they had this partnership with Geely Motors and Meccano Generator, and Cubana Chief Priest, being one of their very strong and precious brand ambassador, took it upon himself take down this product. Don't be surprised, Cubana Chief Priest as well have a home with Victoria Crest. So like a good partnership came together and he took them. Enjoy the advert, listen to the beautiful words, and possibly, you know, you might just like the car and just want to